What's going on, everyone? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2025 BMW 430i xDrive M Sport. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 255 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and also has the mild hybrid, powertrain as well. So I made a video on the 430i xDrive regular model, like the base model, a year ago or something, and I realized I never made a video on the M Sport. The regular one has like the 2-spoke steering wheel. The M Sport will give you this really chunky M Sport wheel, which is really nice. I love the BMW M Sport wheels. They're really nice. I like thick steering wheels. You also have the M badge over here. You have the iDrive 8 system, and you also have this looks like the aluminum rhombical anthracite trim. Put the vehicle in reverse. You have a backup camera and sensors. You also have Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle. You also have black leather seats, pretty big sunroof, which is nice. Here's the center console. Then you have sport modes. You have Sport Plus, which we're going to drive in, of course. Let's walk around this car and then we'll take it out on the road for a drive. Exterior is finished in, this looks like mineral white. Yep, mineral white metallic. You have the M Sport wheels, which look really good. BMW LED headlights. The snake eye headlights, which you find on the M3 and M4. Black mirror caps, black trim. Here's the rear seats. 430i, xDrive badge on the back. A lot of space back here. That's why these Grand Coupes are very nice and practical. You can fit a lot of stuff back here and also fit 5 passengers. So I really like the 430i Grand Coupe, and I like that little cargo cover so you can't really see into the trunk of the vehicle. Good looking car. You also have a wireless charging tray. As you can see, my phone is charging in there right now. I really like the placement of that wireless charging tray. Here's just to show you guys how all the materials sound whenever you touch it. So yeah, decent acceleration. Obviously the 430i is not going to be the fastest model because it is a 4-cylinder, but for daily driving this will give you whatever you need. Low end torque is also pretty good, and you also have the really quick 8-speed automatic, so that helps as well. while we wait for the stoplight, let's go to the infotainment system for now. So this has the maps open right now, but if you hit the home button or the app button, you can just scroll through everything. Obviously when you use your Apple CarPlay Android Auto, it's going to be like a pretty big screen. Very smooth ride. Even in the sport mode, it feels smooth. Doesn't feel uncomfortable or bumpy or anything like that, so that's always a good thing. Let's back in next to the 740i and then we'll conclude the video. See that backup camera in action. Overall, this 2025 BMW 430i xDrive M Sport is a very good looking car, nice to drive, and if you like BMWs, this would be a great daily driver. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own new or pre-owned BMW product.